Hey guys, let's talk about one another important thing related to LinkedIn. So suppose if you are looking for a job, so how you can, like, what you can do to make your feel like presence feel to recruiters. If your display picture is very normal without any kind of frame or something, so people won't get to know about it, and nobody bothers to open your profile and read everything what you are doing, what you are looking for. And if you are shy enough to post any post on LinkedIn or something, sometimes अपने को लगता है ना कि अगर मैं डाल दूंगा तो लोगों को लगेगा ये तो जॉब ढूंढ रहा है, तो वो लोगों के माइंड में ऐसे मतलब ऐसा रहता है कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. तो यू नीड नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट दिस. जो सोचेंगे सोचते रहिए. आप दो काम कर सकते हो अगर आप जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो तो. आप पहले तो आप पोस्ट कर दो, उसमें ये डाल दो कि लाइक इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी पोजीशन फॉर मी दैट्स ओके, बट प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर माय पोस्ट सो दैट माय पोस्ट गेट अ गुड रीच and I get a good opportunity. So you can add something like this. So if I talk about how, like, what are the changes that you can make in your profile picture. So let's talk about this. You need to touch here, then you can see three options: view or edit profile picture, add profile video. First thing is you can click on add profile video and you can make one video like my name is this, I have done this course and I have this much year of experiences, I'm looking for opportunity related to this field. So you can make a good video and you can put it on cover video or cover like display of your LinkedIn profile. So that is a great way, and it will hover, like when I'll check your profile it will start hovering. So like it will take my attention, so that it will make me to click on your video to watch your video. So yeah, you can do this. Next is this is edit frame. You can touch on edit frame. You can put it like original. If you are not hiring anyone, if you are not looking for work, then you can keep it original. If you are like I am looking for clients, so I have done it like open to work. So, and if you are hiring people, hiring intern, I am also hiring also, but I am posting like post from my company's page and I am getting good number of candidates, so I need not to put this hiring icon, but I am looking for clients right now, so I have put open to work. So yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic of my area of expertise, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned, we'll be coming soon with another set of videos. So yeah, bye bye.